Hey, kindergarten team. So Marcia reached out to me and said that some of your kiddos were struggling because the pictures on the dashboard have changed to this like CMS people picture, which I don't think any of you intended for that to happen. So as you can see here, I just changed Brennis's picture to a little girl reading for literacy. So I'm going to do it in Miller's page 2, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So if I go into Leanne's page and I go down to settings, I then have the option to change this image. So I'm going to click on these three dots and I'm going to choose a new image. So to be honest, I don't know where the district got their images, and I can find out for you. I just can't get on an office hours right now to find out. So I'm just kind of problem solving. So here's what I did. I put in literacy and just searched up pictures of kids reading. So I found this cute little girl and I was like, that'll work. I mean, you could just do a book or whatever. For math, you could do math. But I figured that'll work for right now because it's a little girl reading and it's literacy time. So once you do that, it pops in there. And I don't even think I have to hit, yeah, I guess I have hit update course. They always want us to hit a button. I have learned that. So now when I go to my dashboard for Miller and for Brennis, which I have next to each other, they have the same image. So you can say to kids like, go find the picture of the little girl reading, or go find the picture for science. Like maybe you can make it something, I don't know, scientific like, or for math, like numbers. But hopefully that'll help you with getting kids into the course. Obviously, Marcia and Miller, you two can totally change this, but that's basically how it's set up. If y'all are interested in me trying to find this literacy pictures, I can do that for you later. But hopefully this gets you started. All right. Hope you guys are having a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.